I'm Maria Ruvoldt. I'm a professor of art history at Fordham University, and I'm here in Butler Commons with our recently acquired reproduction of the Sistine Chapel ceiling, painted by Michelangelo. It was a generous gift from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. It's brought this reproduction, which is a digital photograph of Michelangelo's Sistine ceiling, reproduced at 1/4 scale, to Fordham University, and allows us to present to our students and to our faculty one of the great monuments in the history of Western art. The Sistine Chapel ceiling is one of Michelangelo's most famous works. We tend to recognize it in part for one of the most famous quotes in it, the creation of Adam, but that's just one of many, many figures that are displayed across this span of 5,000 square feet. And this reproduction gives us the opportunity to see the ceiling in its entirety, and to see the ceiling the way Michelangelo intended us to see it, which is to look at it from below and to see it above our heads rather than to see it projected on a screen.